Hello, fellow vintage lovers. Today I am running the antique store, and I thought it would be a good opportunity, there goes the train, to kind of show you guys everything that's in here. So this is when you first walk in. There are a lot of really cool cowboyana, sword pieces up here up front. This stained glass is just gorge. Here you've got a couple lady heads. It's really cool rustic cross. And the owner, Karen, refinishes furniture, so there is a lot of furniture here as well. I'm going to kind of pause on things that are my favorite. How about that? I love these brass candle holders. They're phenomenal. If anyone is looking for dreamsicles, there's quite a few here, and they're on sale. I love the curio plate display. Okay, heading. I think I'll do the whole front first. There's some really cool things up here. These little aspirin boxes, fuse boxes, blades, glove. There is a snuff bottle. I thought that was really cool. He's not having it though. A lot of cool tins, if any of you are interested in tins, all throughout. I love these glass candle doorknobs. Can you tell I haven't gotten enough sleep? This key ring is super cool. Obviously reproduction, but oh my god, I love it. Speaking of love, I love that wood carving. Very, very cool. Slowly over all of this. Yeah, for such a small space, it's stocked so well. Oh my god, I love this little tobacco table as well. I already have one, or I maybe would have gotten it. Man cave items. There's some rulers for Angela and Thomas. It's a good folding one. I love these old tools, oil cans. There are a lot of cocks throughout. I love that. I love that so much. I'll probably end up getting that at some point. There are a bunch of metal signs here as well. I think they're on sale. Some of them are. Anyway, really cute. There are a lot of nice linens. Look at this bedspread. Oh my god, it's beautiful, guys. I think it's $48 if I remember correctly. Just a great price on it. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, so these are so cute, y'all. It's a set. I rule the rooster with the chick, and then I rule the rooster with the rooster. So cute. Okay, I'm going to take you into this room here. A lot of cool tins. I was looking at them earlier. I love this Tootsie Roll tin. How cute is that, man? Some really cute things up here. I believe I have sold that squirrel and nut before, and I love it. It's adorable. The strawberry pie pan is so cute. Ramekin on mixed. I wasn't kidding when I said there are a lot of chicken items in here. They're in there. They're cool. She's only $4. Again, great prices everywhere. Ooh, some things I've never seen before. This picture is amazing. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get it out. It's 18. It's fantastic. Very, very, very cool. I'm not sure who makes that. Here's some tea bag holders. So cute. Cute. There's some more tins down here. Oh, this is so cute. Homegrown sweets. Cute Hershey's tin. $8. Great price on that. Here's some cool wall art. Pretty cool to have the whole set. There's a pig. Pork chop for Thomas. Oh, this is really cool. Coffee pot clock. Love. Kind of breezed over all that, but here you go. Lots of vintage kitchen items in here. Oh, I love this coffee jar. Oh, I love this. Just now seeing this too. How much are you? Where's your price? It's in here. Oh. Chromex. Very cool. Love. These are cute. Let's see here. Fiasca pitcher. I don't know much about Fiasca, guys, and I definitely want to learn. Oh, love these shakers. I've had these before, but not yellow. Very, very cool. Cute. Oh, I love her. This fantastic 1920s Coke girl. Rosie the Riveter. How come I've missed her too? Don't know how. Oh my god, these are adorable, y'all. What? Vintage plastic wine gourd sailors. Those are so cute. If you guys see anything you're interested in, you can let me know. Pillsbury. There's a lot of Pillsbury. And I just noticed all the Campbells here too. Morton's. Now over here there's some really pretty clear glass. Let me get over to it. There's a diamond point set, or almost a set. Clear glass is coming back, y'all. There's great prices on these pieces. Oh, how cute is this picnic basket? Why are words so hard today, as usual? Wait, is this a purse? Oh my god, it's a purse. Is it? It has the mirror, which is kind of throwing me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Love that. If anybody needs any faux vegetables, let me know, although they might come with the basket. One thing I wanted to show you guys over here are these amazing shakers. Looks like this is copper, you know, a copper finish, but these glow. I did checked earlier. I have bought and sold a lot of things like this, this mid-century Japan, and that's a great price on that too. Love. I should get that for Thomas, shouldn't I? Okay, now we're going to go into the front room, which is where my booth is. So the shop is along the main highway here, which is pretty cool. I'm going to give you a shot of over there. I love this section here. It's a pretties. There also is some jewelry here. I already spotted something I might want to get for me at some point. This really pretty black cameo. Do I have her upside down? There we go. I like her a lot. There are some modern things in here as well. There's some coffee mugs. There are some handmade creations, wickedly crafted. They have a little section here. The domino set is really cool. These are blacklight, which is pretty freaking awesome. So if any of you are interested in like a skull jar that glows in the dark, let me know. That might be really cool for Halloween. There is a jewelry section here. I am going to be adding my own jewelry section at some point. Tins are fantastic. I absolutely love them. This color combination. I love this one too. And that one. And the birds. How can you not love the birds? What is she? She's cute is what she is. There's some handmade soaps and freshies here as well. It's fall, y'all. It actually is fall. It actually felt really good outside this morning for the first time in a long, long time. Oh, these flower holders are cute. Who remembers him? It's really pretty. Are those magnolias, maybe? Some head bases. Oh, this is so stinking cute, y'all. Is this a bank? I bet you it is. No. It's just a cute figurine of a mama mouse and all her babies. I have admired this before, this really pretty Russian plate. Just pause on that for a second. Some more pigs for Thomas. That is a bank. There are also some t-shirts here, some local things for the high school and such. Some handmade towels. I just now noticed this. These embroidered toilet paper. Oh my god, that's pretty cute. My cat is my pride and joy. Kittens are angels. And then, ta-da! Here is my booth, which I need to bring more things on Saturday. Yeah, it seems like every day I realize there's more and more I need to bring. I have sold a few things and I'm grateful for that. I'm not focusing on it because I've made so many videos of it. I am going to make some sort of hanging here for jewelry. I haven't quite figured it out yet. I'm not crafty that way. This, oh my gosh, so this may be one of my favorite things in here. Every time I come in here, I'm looking at this bank. I mean, look at this lion. He's freaking awesome. I also like this king too. But yeah, I'm in love with that. Now wait, now what? Uh-oh, I might need to get this too. What exactly does he hold? I wonder. I don't know, but he's cute. I love these little lacquer ducks. Really, really cute as well. There's some blue glass. Ooh, this butterfly teapot is really pretty. She's very pretty as well. It's really pretty. I love the design of that. Cute. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video on this cute patootie right here. That may need to go home with me at some point as well. So cute. This little sheep. I think it's a sheep. Oh, they're just so cute. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. If you are ever in the area, you should definitely come check out Nook and Cranny. It's a cool little store. And if you're on your way to Canton, that's only about 15 minutes away. Okay guys, take care. Bye-bye.